Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add mobile frame to our video in CapCut application. Alright guys, first of all, you can create new project in CapCut and import your video that you want to put mobile frame on. And here I have imported my video. And after that, we can click on overlay and click on add overlay. And we're going to open the CapCut stock videos right here. Click on stock video and select a green screen. Then here you can get the mobile frame. Wait guys. Okay, and I think it's free to use this one. But if you're not satisfied with this mobile frame, you can search for the mobile frame. And you can choose it as you want. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one. We can click on it. Then we can click on add. Okay, and now the mobile frame has been added to my video. And I'm going to make it align with my video. Then we can zoom in a little bit to fit the screen, and we're going to use Chroma key to remove the green screen. We can go to the remove background option and select Chroma key. You have to pick the green color, click on intensity, and increase the intensity. Wait, for the shadow as well. Okay, and I think it's done. And click on check mark. And I'm going to fit the screen. I'm going to click on my video. And I'm going to zoom out like this. And rotate it as well. Okay. And I think it's done. Then let's see the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can put mobile frame to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.